Hello, I'm Andrew Patch of PCRS Computers. Thanks for joining us on our next video blog. This is going to be Computer Maintenance Part 2. Last week we discussed computer maintenance, why it was important, how often you should do it, stuff like that. This week we're going to get more involved and we're going to talk about tools to help you with computer maintenance. The first tool that we're going to mention today is going to be one that I've came to know and love for speeding up computers and stuff like that, and that is auto runs. Um, what can I say about auto runs? It can be a great tool for speeding up your computer, but there is also some warnings that I'll have to tell you. You don't want to mess with stuff you don't know what it is, because if you do it wrong, it could screw up your computer. Um, so that's why a trained technician like myself is best to use it. But it gets rid of all the programs that start automatically with your computer. And it's a whole lot easier program than MS Config, which used to do the same thing. And it still does, but this one does it better, and it's easier to use, and you can play around a little bit better, and you don't have to just delete it. You can hit the uncheck box, and that way if you restart the computer and it has problems, you can check it again. Um, but that is one of the main tools that I use at PCRS computers to maintain the computer and to speed it up. Um, so auto runs is really good maintenance. I do it once a month. Then the other thing is um, a registry cleaner. It's very, very important that you have a registry cleaner, especially if you uninstall and reinstall and stuff like that. It's really important that you have a good registry cleaner. And I found a good registry cleaner called Using Free Registry. EUSING Free Registry. You can Google it. I'm going to have links to all these tools on my website at www.pcrscomputers.com, and it will really help people get into it. But that's a very good free registry program. It does the best job that I've seen a lot of, even the ones you pay for, do. So it's a very, very good program. It gets updated once a month or so it's going to be the updatedest for you. The next thing is the defraggler. You can Google that also, or it will be on my website at www.pcrscomputers.com. And that defrags your computer, and it's very important that you run a defragger once a month, just to make sure your computer is working just like you want it to. So you got the registry cleaner, and you got the defragger, and you got auto runs. That's the three main that I use the most at PCRS computers. The other thing that is important is your antivirus and your spyware or malware detector / remover. And Windows actually came out with a very, very good one. So I use that. And it's called, hang on, it's called Microsoft Security Essentials. And it is very, very good. They update it every day. Um, you want to make sure you update it every day with the new definitions, because there's a lot of viruses and a lot of a lot of malware and stuff like that. So it's very important that you keep any antivirus or anti-malware scanner that you got. It's very, very important that you keep it up to date, and you run those updates every day, and you run a scan every day. I can set it. I have it set right now for every 3 a.m. in the morning. It always runs a scan. So you can set it up so it does it itself, but you really want to check it. And that is why PCRS computers, PC tune-up is very, very good, because we check your antivirus, your anti-malware. We run auto runs, we run the defraggler, we run the registry checker. We do all that for you, and we do it remotely for the most part. You know, if you want to bring it to us, we can do it here too. But we do it remotely. So we can connect to your computer remotely, run the stuff, and normally it takes less than 2 hours. It just depends on how bad your system is. And I recommend that you do it probably every 3 months. That you know, you have some, either you run it or you have us run it. But the PC tune-up is very, very good opportunity to keep your computer running and get it back to factory specs. Um, so our website is www.pcrscomputers.com, and we will have a third part of this series next week where we'll talk some more about computer maintenance, and I will go in detail on our remote PC tune-up, because I believe in it, I run it, and I believe it will help save you your computer. And I'm not just saying that. I've kept my computer running, and I've kept Grandma's computer running, doing that very same thing. So I know that it will work. I know that we can help you keep your computer running and running well. So, till next time, this is Andrew Patch at PCRS Computers, where we treat you right. And don't forget to comment and like this video. Thank you. We've had a lot of people, 43 people viewed our video this week. So I do believe this is making a difference. So, you know, watch it. Watch the first video, watch this video, and watch all of our videos. It will help you, and it's starting to help me get more used to talking to people, which is really helping in this business. So, till next time, have a good week, and we will see you next week.